Have you ever wanted to create a full cinematic story, not just a single AI image, but a complete sequence where every frame connects perfectly, every character stays consistent, and every scene looks like it belongs in the same world? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In this video, we're diving into Higgsfield Popcorn, the brand new AI tool that's redefining visual storytelling. It's not just another image generator, it's your storyboard artist, photo editor, and scene director combined into one creative platform. With it, you can turn a single image or idea into a fully coherent story made up of multiple shots, all matching in lighting, tone, and style. Higgsfield Popcorn is built for creators who want consistency, cinematic quality, and control. It delivers better character and environment continuity than Nano Banana or Seedream, and it introduces a brand new multi-image pipeline, letting you generate up to 8 cohesive frames from just one prompt. You can use it to build storyboards, campaigns, or even animated scene concepts that feel straight out of a movie. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step. The link is right there in the description below. Go ahead and open it up, and let's get started. Once you open the website, you'll see an interface that looks like this, Higgsfield Popcorn. Here, we have 2 main modes, manual and auto. Let's start with the manual mode. In this mode, you can upload up to 4 reference images and generate as many as 8 output results. You can also describe exactly what happens in each scene. For example, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. This gives you full control over how the sequence unfolds, perfect for storytellers or creators who want precise scene-by-scene direction. Now, let's move on to the auto mode. This one's even simpler and faster. Here, you just upload a single image and describe your scene using a text prompt. So, let's test it out. First, I'll choose a photo, and then I'll add my prompt. The lone private investigator lights a cigarette under a flickering street lamp, chasing the truth through rain-soaked alleys. Film noir, 1950s black and white mood. Next, you can choose how many output results you want, anywhere from 1 to 8, and then pick your aspect ratio. There are several options available such as 2:3, 3:4, 4:3, or 9:16, depending on your preferred format. Once everything is set, hit generate, wait a few seconds, and here we go. You can see it has beautifully generated 4 cinematic sequence photos. Each shot looks like a scene straight out of a noir movie. You can click on any image to animate it, edit it, upscale it, or simply download it. Now, let's try another one. This time, I'm going to upload a photo of a man and use this prompt. The man journeys through an ancient forest in search of a dragon. Soft sunlight filters through enchanted trees, lush greenery, Ghibli-style fantasy. Again, choose the number of output results, maybe 2, 3, or 4. Select your aspect ratio and hit generate. And just look at that. The results are absolutely stunning. The lighting, the colors, and the composition all blend beautifully. If you're not happy with the result, you can always regenerate it to get new variations until you find the perfect one. Now, let's make it a bit more creative. This time, I'll upload 2 images, a photo of a girl and a box. And use the prompt. The woman walks through Tokyo with an object from image 2. I'll choose the output count, hit generate, and there we go. The result is amazing. You can actually see the girl holding the box while walking through the busy streets of Tokyo. Finally, let's explore the manual mode again. I'll upload 3 reference photos, 1 of a man and 2 of girls. Then, I'll write my own scenes. Scene 1. Scene 2. Scene 3. Once everything is ready, I'll hit generate. Wait for a few seconds, and here we go. The results are absolutely beautiful. It has created a cinematic sequence that looks like a short film in still images. You can create a whole visual story this way, generate up to 8 outputs, and experiment endlessly with prompts, scenes, and photo combinations. And that's how you can create stunning cinematic stories with Higgsfield Popcorn. Consistent, aesthetic, and completely under your control. From just one image or a single prompt, you can build full storyboards, generate seamless sequences, and bring your ideas to life with AI that understands storytelling. If you haven't tried it yet, click the link in the description below and start creating your own visual stories today. Trust me, once you see how powerful Popcorn is, you'll never look at AI image generation the same way again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.